Do you have a Shopify store, yet you do not appear in the search engines? Well, in this tutorial, we are going to be learning how to do Shopify SEO optimization. So if you go to Shopify and go to their help page, you'll notice we have ways of improving SEO, that is optimizing your Shopify, whether you want to build a web presence for your retail location or even start a drop shipping business when you are trying to sell online. So SEO optimization is a very important thing to do. So the first thing that you need to do for your SEO optimization of your Shopify store is to buy a custom domain. So here I'm on my Shopify store. If I go to settings down here on the left hand side and then search for domains, scroll down here, domains, you'll notice that my domain here is myshopify.com. That is the name of my store, .myshopify.com. Now, this is not an optimized domain because so many accounts have myshopify.com. All the accounts basically that are in Shopify have .myshopify.com. So what do? You simply buy a domain. So you click on buy new domain, and that will be giving you an option to buy a domain. So you search for domain here. So I want to call my store Josh KE. So you notice this is available. We have joshke.com, and .com is a recommended one. You notice here, this one is available. We have also joshke.net. We have joshke.org, and then we also have joshke.store, joshke.shop, and then joshke.info. So you notice the prices on this side. For instance, .info goes for $25 per year, and if you go up here, you notice we have .shop that goes for $10 per year for the first year, and then $33 for the year after that. So you buy a domain that you feel is the best here, and the .com here is a good domain. So in case you type maybe a domain that you want and you find, like this one, I have typed shoe, you notice shoe.com is not available. You can simply add numbers so that you can simply add numbers, or even you can add letters so that you can now see what is available. So you notice we have the shoeke.com is not available, but we still want to use a .com domain. What do? We can simply add more letters here or numbers. So we can have shoeken, so that we see if that will be available. Still not available. We can add NYA, shoe Kenya. You now notice that one is available. So because our target is to use a .com, so don't give up if you suggest a name that is not available for that domain. You can simply add more letters or numbers to your website, but I would suggest you just add letters that are relevant to your store. So if you do that, then your SEO, the search engine optimization for your Shopify, will be higher because it won't be having the .shopify.com. So to buy a domain, you simply click on buy domain and then you complete the steps. The second way how to optimize your Shopify SEO is simply to use the free keyword tool. You simply type wordstream.com/keywords, and that link is available in the description of this video. This is where it brings you. You notice I was already selling boots and I was also selling a wall hanging. So I want to see the keywords I'll use for boots here. So I'll come to free keyword search and type the word boots, and then click on find my keywords, and that will search the boots here. You get the keyword or website URL, boots. Then you can choose the industry here. If you click on that, you notice we have animals and pets, apparel and fashion and jewelry. So that will be under this part for fashion and jewelry. Then you click on that, then you can choose the state or the country down here. So I'll retain it as United States, then click on continue. So You notice we had the word boots, but look at our keywords here. So we have the keyword Uggs slippers that has a search volume You notice this is from Google Ads of 1 million here, and the competition for that on the right hand side, you notice it is high. We have boots that also has a search volume of 450,000, and then the competition again is high. So you notice we can use this keyword, maybe Ugg slippers, in our search so that people can find the slippers. We can use cowboy boots. You notice it has 301,000. We also have Timberland boots. So you can use these ones that have these keywords here that have a high search volume. But you notice because the competition is high, you may decide, maybe if you're a newbie, to use the words that possibly have a low competition. Now, then you can just click on download my keywords at the top here, and then you can come back to your product and now use them as your tags or even as the title for your products, and you'll have optimized your Shopify store. The last way is to add as an SEO app. So to add an SEO app, you simply come to your page. Down here, you notice we have apps. You click on add apps, and then you scroll down and come to Shopify store. You click on that, and then at the top here, you simply type SEO and search that. And this will give you different SEO tools that you can use for your Shopify store. You notice here we have the first one here, which has a free plan called Swift SEO Page Speed Optimizer. This can optimize the speed of your page. You can also use these others, and different SEO tools up here will optimize different things. For instance, you notice we have the Booster SEO and Image Optimizer, and here we have the Tiny SEO Image Optimizer and Speed. Now, it's important that you use these tools because if a visitor comes to your page and your images take time to load, that mostly is a turn off and they may just go to a different shop. So you need to use these optimizers so that your images get optimized for search and they load very fast before your clients become impatient to continue looking for the product and waiting for the images to load. So to simply install any of these, you simply click on that, and then you click on install, and you can read all the details about it down here. Notice, for instance, down here, this one can improve page load speed and SEO scores with the bulk image compression engine. And then it has a autopilot feature to find and fix SEO issues. So I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.